Looking for an easy side dish to prepare in a matter of 5 to 10 minutes? Well, I got you, because today I'll be showing you the simplest way to cook green beans and tomato. The dish turns out delicious, crunchy, and the best part about the dish is that you can also enjoy as a main dish. To make this delicious dish, you'll start off by washing and chopping your green beans into bite-sized pieces. That is removing the edges of the green beans and cutting your green beans into small sizes. I've already done that because the recipe is going to be very simple and fast. So I have my green beans over here. This is around 1.5 cups of green beans. I also have some tomatoes over here, onions, some garlic, which is going to add in some flavor to our green beans, and also some black pepper and salt. So the recipe is that simple. You start off by placing a pot over medium-high flame and add in 1 cup of water to your pot. We're going to be blanching our green beans. As my water is coming to a boil, I'm going to be telling you about the benefits of including green beans in your diet. Number 1, they have lots of vitamins and minerals that our body needs. They also aid in digestion, that is, they are high in fiber, which makes digestion easy in our body. Green beans also boost our immune system and also promote bone health because they are an excellent source of vitamin K. So grab yourself some green beans and let's make this delicious meal, which is going to be very simple. So my water has come to a boil. So I'm going to put out the flames because the water is boiling, and then I'm going to blanch my green beans for around 2 minutes in the hot water. I'm going to add in some salt to the water and place in my green beans. Stir. I'm going to keep my pot aside, and over medium-low flame I'm going to place another small pan. And the good thing about this recipe is that you can double up or even triple the ingredients listed in the description box and make for your entire family. So this is just a small recipe for about 1 person. This is how your green beans are going to be looking after 2 minutes. As you can see, they're cooked but still super crunchy. Add in 1 tablespoon of cooking oil to your pan and add in your onions. Saute until soft. The onions are going to add in a very nice taste to your green beans. So once your onions are soft, you're going to add in 2 cloves of garlic. Saute the garlic for 1 minute, 30 seconds to 1 minute, until it's fragrant or until the raw garlic flavor is gone. Add in 2 diced tomatoes. Stir in the tomatoes and add in some black pepper and salt to season. Cook the tomatoes for about a minute. Once you add in the black pepper and garlic into your pan, the kitchen is going to be smelling so incredible. So I'm going to give my tomatoes around 30 more seconds to cook because they're starting to get mushy. Check the seasoning. If it's not perfect, you're going to be adding in a little bit more salt. Once your tomatoes are ready, you're going to transfer your blanched green beans into the pan. Stir everything together and check the seasoning. Don't forget to check the seasoning. Cook the green beans and tomatoes for around 30 more seconds because you don't want to overcook the green beans. After 30 seconds, your green beans are ready to serve. So you're going to put out the flames. Serve. Wow, just look at that. Very delicious. I bet when you try out this green beans and tomato recipe, you're going to fall in love because it's super delicious. I'm going to give mine a try. Wow. The dish is very colorful. You can hear the green beans are still crunchy. So good. And the tomato flavor is 100% together with the black pepper and garlic. So good. You can serve your green beans and tomatoes as a side dish, or you can enjoy as a main dish, and it will be very delicious. So this is a recipe worth trying because it's simple, it's easy, and just effortless, and the outcome is going to be delicious. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you'll be trying out the easiest and simplest recipe ever.